What is the true scale of the Aurora Borealis? Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing a shimmering curtain of light stretching across the entire horizon. That's what the Aurora Borealis can do. It's a massive natural display that covers huge parts of the sky, but just how big is it really? To understand that, we need to look at where it happens and how it spreads. The Aurora Borealis, also called the Northern Lights, occurs mainly within a zone called the auroral oval. This is an oval-shaped area centered around Earth's magnetic poles, not the geographic North Pole. It usually spans from about 60 degrees to 75 degrees north latitude. That means it covers most of northern Scandinavia, including Norway, Sweden, Finland, and parts of northern Russia and Iceland. These areas see the lights most often and most brightly. The size of the aurora depends on how active Earth's magnetic field is. When solar activity is high, it causes geomagnetic storms, which make the Aurora Borealis expand far beyond its usual zone. Scientists measure this activity with a scale called the KP index, which runs from 0 to 9. When the KP index is low, between 0 and 3, the aurora stays within the auroral oval. But when it hits 5 or higher, the lights can be seen much farther south. During very strong storms, with a KP index of 7 to 9, the aurora can be visible as far south as Central Europe, and sometimes even in places like Spain, Italy, or parts of the United States. The aurora itself happens at altitudes between about 80 and 300 kilometers above the Earth. That's roughly 50 to 200 miles up in the sky. During intense solar storms, the lights can fill the entire northern sky, creating a stunning display that can stretch from the horizon all the way overhead. Sometimes, these storms are so powerful that the Aurora Borealis can be seen in southern parts of Europe, North Africa, or even in the southern United States. For example, in May of 2024, a big solar storm made the northern lights visible as far south as Stockholm in Sweden, and even in places like the Canary Islands and Florida. That shows just how far the Aurora Borealis can reach when the sun is especially active. In Scandinavia, the lights are a common sight during the darker months from late autumn to early spring. Because the region lies within the auroral oval, it's one of the best places on Earth to see the lights regularly. The size of the aurora is not just about how wide it appears, but also how high it reaches in the sky. It can fill the entire sky with shimmering, dancing lights that seem to move and change shape. So, the true scale of the Aurora Borealis is enormous, covering large parts of the high northern latitudes and sometimes extending far beyond. Its size depends on how active the sun is and how Earth's magnetic field reacts. For those lucky enough to be in the right place at the right time, the Aurora Borealis offers a spectacular show that can light up the night sky in a way that feels almost magical.